What we got out here then?
Vauxhall Velox E-Series Australian Ute. It's mine. 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 Mine.
Okay, so Ash, some of the people have asked what some of the cars are in the background, so what have we got?
19, would I say 67, wasn't it?
67, yeah.
67 I think is E-plate. Vauxhall Cresta PC estate car made by Dormobile. Quite a rare bit of kit. I don't think they made many of them because it was a conversion. They didn't actually make an estate car, Dormobile converted them. So it's had all the front wings taken off, all realigned, so put on over the top of the old wings. Floors welded up, I've got to finish off, replace all of this. Then it get resprayed. Interior was good on it, good engine. That'd be good. Right. Hello. It's a 1936 Ford pickup truck. Obviously you've seen some videos of the engine being built. Chassis was snapped in half, had to rebuild that. All suspension's been rebuilt. It's the same guy that owns the Mini, so it's sort of been put on hold for the moment while I've been doing the Mini. Most of the bodywork's done, just a matter of painting and assembly then really. It's a bit buried. It's a 1942 Cadillac. I think it's a Fleetwood, I'm not sure. It's quite a rare one. It's the second biggest one they built. It's something to do with this. The original Cadillacs, the rain gutter went straight across.
It's been here a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've done probably 80–90% of the welding on it. All the floors have been done. All the inner wheel arches have been done. The rear panel I started making. I think started making the boot floor. Yeah, I made all that boot floor. Not that you can really see it in there, but got that corner to finish off. But it didn't actually look in bad condition until it came back from the blasters, and it looked like
hell.
Oh my god. Had to make all the inside of that boot lid. Reskinned it there. Just got to make that other corner up. And not that you can see a lot of it, that's a 1942 Ford Woody with enough parts in it to build another car really. There's 2 cars worth stripped down in boxes.
Wood looks nearly finished though.
Yeah, the wood's nearly done, yeah. Yeah, that's all there, all the bits to finish it are there as such, all the tailgates and everything. Yeah, it's a good project for someone, if they want to buy it. Yeah, there's 2 bonnets, 2 sets of wings I think, and there's loads and loads of stuff. Yeah, loads of stuff with it. That's a Cadillac engine under there. Cadillac back axle that's painted. Another Cadillac V8, flathead V8. Cadillac manual gearbox. Cadillac automatic box. Scooter. Dodge block of Melvins. Crankshaft out of it. That's all the internals out of it. That's all Cadillac. Cadillac suspension. Shock absorbers. That's all Cadillac. Air filters. Starter motor. Yeah, there's a lot of it. Awful lot of it.
What we got out here then?
Vauxhall Velox E-Series Australian Ute. It's mine. Mine. Put a Lexus V8 in it with auto box, made it gasser style, front suspension up in the air, fuel tank's made out of a beer barrel, made all the gear linkage out of old valves, and got a Rogers hi-hat cymbal throttle pedal. It's been sitting probably 6 months. Goes very fast.
It sounds like it does, yeah. So why this car? Why have you built this car for yourself?
I like the way gassers look. All the running gear was shot to pieces, so I made the front axle, I made all the steering gear, and I just haven't had time to finish it really. It's MOT, just, you know, it's all up and running as such, but I just need to tidy it all up.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I might paint it, I might not, I don't know yet. So I made the air scoop out of the Dodge 318 pistons, machined all the middle out of them, I had it plumbed up without an air filter in, but it wouldn't run right, so I had to put the air filter back on it. Just a lot of messing around with all the electrical bits on it.
What's the performance on it like?
And 0 to 60 is probably 4 seconds, something like that.
Scary, or is it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've got some complications with the electronic gearbox wiring at the moment. I've got to sort out as well. Things I didn't even know it did. Like I thought it was in what you call top gear, but it's not, it's in overdrive. So I've got to put a flick switch on that to knock it out of overdrive. Basically the auto is all done electronically off of solenoids. It goes back to the ECU. But they're all the wires that go to the ECU, and there's about another 20 I've got to plumb into it to get the gearbox working. But I mean it works, but it's not right, you know. Sometimes you can floor it, and if it decides to go into the proper low gear, I mean it'll wheel spin from there to there. But other times it just doesn't chonk down in properly. But I know I've sussed all the wiring out now, I understand it now, which I didn't before. So I can get all that done. Yeah, it's just a big old 4 litre Lexus lump. It's good fun.
Next week on the workshop.
Small hole.
I wasn't ready when you said that. Oh.
Fucking hell. Just roll it inside out, pull it over, peel it back, and that's where you want it.